Hey boys and girls, Miss Vero coming to you today with our vocabulary from Apple Farmer Annie. The first word we're going to see is the word orchard. An orchard is a place where apple trees grow. When you have a lot of apple trees growing together, and you can see they're all in this pretty row going down a line, that is called an apple orchard. The next picture are seeds. And seeds are what's inside of an apple. That's where our life cycle begins. The seeds are located inside seed pods, which are protected in the core of the apple. And that helps us be able to, after we eat the flesh and go through the skin, we're able to find the seeds and either replant them, or when they fall in nature, they start to grow on their own. Here is that word core. The apple core is the center part of the apple. It goes from the stem through the middle and to the bottom where the flowering part grows from the tree. Here is the buds on a tree. These are the little flowers that grow off the stems. There's the leaves and the flowers are the buds. As the tree flowers, the flower turns into the fruit, and the fruit is the apple. Next is the blossom. When those flowers open up, it is called a blossom. Here is our apple tree, full of apples. They are ripe and ready to pick. This is a red apple growing on a tree. It is still attached to the tree by its stem. Here's the leaves on the side of the stem. The stem is part of the branch. This is a market. Around here, they're called a farmer's market. That's where fresh fruit and produce is sold to people like you and me. A seedling. Once the seed comes out of the ground, it is called a seedling, also known as the shoot. From the seed down into the dirt grows the roots. The roots feed the seedling and provide it water and nutrients from the ground to help it grow. I hope you guys have a great day and hear these vocabulary words inside our story.